I forgot my stinking GoPro. Left the GoPro in the Peterbilt. We just went down there and got the load picked up. And now we're going to back her back in the driveway and finish up orientation. Well, good morning, guys. I wanted to show you guys something. I put some clips together. I have yet to watch them, but I want to show you a little something here. Get my umbrella out. It is raining today in the beautiful town of McDonald, which is where we live. But I wanted to show you something. So for the first time in 20 years, there is no truck in my driveway. See that? I got some junky bolt that we're going to get straightened up here pretty quick, and we'll get that put away. But and that trailer that you see right there behind me goes away Friday. We have a big W9 coming to get it on Friday, so we're going to put these clips together. This Peterbilt leaving. Sorry, I've got that a little close, but we're in the rain. A little small umbrella. So yeah, we'll go see what these clips look like, and you guys enjoy seeing the Peterbilt go down the road. And no, we are not going to miss it. This is a wonderful thing. It's such a relief. Look at it. 20 years, there's no truck in my driveway. Holy smokes. Fantastic. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoy these random clips. There's a lot going on, so I don't know how good the clips are, but we're gonna go find out. See ya. We're having to do some trailer jockeying. How's we'll take it off? Have them drop that trailer over here, back this thing up, get it over here. What a job, what a job, come on. This trailer jockeying is something else. We're gonna pull this one out and take it and get it loaded. And that sure is a beautiful truck, isn't it? That is a beauty. The brakes on that one sound bad. What a job, man. I didn't get much of it on film because we were fighting traffic here. My dad's up there blocking the road, but he didn't wait for Dad to have the road blocked, and he pulled out, and we had 3 or 4 cars in the way here, and he jacked her too hard, man. I hope my airlines stay on there. This is the first time backing into my driveway, and he jacked it harder than he should have, but he did a fine job. Can't knock him for that. First time driving that truck, he did a fine job. Looks like my airlines are going to stay. Anytime you do airlines for the first time, it's a bit nerve-wracking, you know. But yeah, he did a fine job getting in there. Jeez, what a job. So we had to pull that one out, put it over on the side of the road right there. I've got to drop this one back there because the skirt, that's the one with the skirt broken on it. Put it in the driveway, and then we drop it and hook this one up and then go get her loaded. And then come back and do it again. All right. Beautiful. Oh man, he got in my yard. I guess he did that when he went out. Cause see, I asked him not to get in my yard right there. Look at that, look at that. I had asked him not to get in the yard. I think he did that on the way out with the other trailer. Unbelievable. So idiotic ramblings from the jump seat of the big 389 Peterbilt. Show you my driver. It's my special chauffeur.
Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, there it goes. It focused. All right, so we're going to take this up here and run on Blue Springs Road. So you go through traffic light and then an exit ramp to Blue Springs Road. This is a view you guys have missed, hasn't it? Big hood shot. Come on. We're on our way to get the very first load that goes to New Jersey. New Jersey. Hope y'all enjoyed that driveway footage. It was just a few small clips. It was a very fast-paced, stressful time getting in and out of the driveway. But we got her done. No harm, no foul. We're good. So I don't know how he feels about being on camera. Probably make him nervous. We gotta go all the way down here to door number 2. We'll see if that old Pete makes his turn. So I love that old truck, don't you? So here is door number 2. Very nice. Well, he's doing a fine job. Getting the old truck muddy. See, I would have came further over here. Everybody has their own methods to, their own rhyme or reason to madness. But that's a pretty good setup right there. Never sell a man short, you know. I don't know where he's going. He's used to driving a 235 wheelbase aero truck. So the very first time ever driving this big old large car, he's doing a fantastic job, you know. Fantastic job. He hit my driveway like a pro, you know. Let me do a little pull up there, mister. Don't get my, hope he doesn't get that bumper into the telephone pole right there on the ground and knock that marker light off. Turn signal, you know. Sure is a beauty, isn't it? This rain, man, sucks. I've had so much rain. We've had more rain in the last few weeks than we've had in years. Crazy. Alright, he's got her in there. I'm gonna shut this camera down. We got low battery. I forgot my stinking GoPro. Left the GoPro in the Peterbilt. We just went down there and got the load picked up. And now we're going to back her back in the driveway. Finish up orientation. We'll be good to go. Old boy's nervous as he can be. It's the first time driving that thing. Of course, with me being in there, doesn't help none at all. But he'll get the hang of that 290 wheelbase. So that's a beautiful truck, isn't it? So yeah, he made all that mud in my yard when he came out. He swung to the right, kind of like that other guy did that bought my trailer. And you don't have to swing to the right to get out of the driveway, but for some reason, they all want to swing to the right, you know. And sure makes a mess out of my yard there. Come on. This rain sucks, man. Look at that, he did a fine job. This is it's not the easiest thing in the world to hit, you know. And when you never done it, see, I do it all the time, so I can nail it. But when you never do it, I think it's too far to I don't want to pull up in the driveway. I'll get in his way, you know, if he has to do a reset and pull up. Because he's too far to the right. As long as he keeps the Peterbilt out of the trees, he'll be okay. Let me pull up there and go help him. Alright, I threatened his life. Do not get the Peterbilt muddy. Actually, the yard is what I was worried about. I wasn't worried about the Peterbilt. But there is the Peterbilt for the last time. Be actually glad to get it out of my driveway. Free up some space. So, should be ready to rock and roll. Everybody gets so confused on why the decals are still on it. Truck number's still on it. It's still leased to Ghorley Trucking. But anyway, there she goes. He's trying to swing to the right again, but I threatened his life. So don't you do it. I think it's just a habit for truck drivers to swing out, you know. Take good care of that, Ryan. She'll treat you right, man. But anyway, look at that room we have in our driveway now. Very nice. Oh Lordy, look at all that room we got now. See you, Peterbilt. So now we get that wagon out of here. Next Friday it goes away. We get that boat put back here in the garage or back in the yard. Alright, so there we go. We'll get that. We had to pull that boat out just to make room for all these trailers. Like I said, that trailer's leaving Friday. Got a big W9. Going to kind of hook to that thing on Friday and take it out of here. Then we'll get the boat put back down there. Put the Dodge back where it goes. Be good to go. Looking better around here already. Now if we can just get rid of all this mud. Alright, see ya.